Hey guys, today I want to show how to create and how to use a set in Python. So the set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. So in the Python, sets are written with a curly brackets. For example, to create set, so new set is equal, and for example, it has an item with cat, dog, and mouse. Yeah, you can print this, and here, here is this, here is this collection. Here is this collection. For example, you can add a new item, so new set dot add. For example, the horse. Yeah, and then print this set, and here will be the horse with a new element, and you can print this length, the output will be 4 because it has a 4 item. And for example, you can remove, so new set dot remove, for example, the cat, and when print this, here is remove the cat. So you can remove to use the discard, so new set dot discard, for example, the dog. Yeah, and when print this variable, the dog is removed. For example, you can clear all element, so new set dot remove dot clear, and when print it is nothing. When when get this length, it is 0. So thank you for watching, see you later.